Hello, good afternoon. My name is Eddie C, and I am the author of the book Trend is Friend. The date today is 26th of October of 2022. It's a Wednesday, and the time is 2:14 p.m. Welcome to Buy Rationale. Buy Rationale provides 14 reasons when considering a particular stock. A disclaimer here though, uh, whatever is shared today is basically for information and education only. If you decide to buy a stock, please consult your financial planner or your broker. The stock in question today is Optimax with the stock code of 0222. All right. Optimax is triggered today as the best pick using the criteria on price gain or price ascension with its uptrend momentum, and the price candlestick is above the cloud and also above the MA 200 with a relative volume greater than 1. That means the volume traded this morning is greater than the average 90 days, and it is a profitable net cash company. Okay, we look at the first rationale now, the fundamental rationale. The first one is the intrinsic value versus the market price. Let me call up the calculator. All right. The intrinsic value is calculated by using the enterprise value divided by the total common share outstanding. Okay, the enterprise value is 437,916 divided by 540,000. Okay, intrinsic value for Optimax is 81 cent. Okay, and what is the market price for Optimax today? Okay, Optimax is selling at 78 cent. Okay, so it looks like we will be buying Optimax at 78 cent with an intrinsic value 81. That means we are buying at a discount. So 81 cent minus 0.78. Okay, so there is a 3 cent discount, and in terms of percentage divided by 0.78, so you'll be buying Optimax at 78 cent at a discount of 4%. Wow, it's good. Well, almost marked to the market. Anyway, it's a discount anyway. 4% it may be. Okay, the next rationale we look at is the how long it takes for Optimax to double up its price from 78 cent. Okay, the double up is calculated by using the rule of 72. So 72 divided by the operating margin, okay, which is about 22%. Okay, so Optimax will double up from its current price in 3.3 years. All right, 3.8 is quite a fair tenure for us. Okay, which are uh, mid-term investing. Okay, and Optimax, the third rationale, Optimax has a PE ratio of 30. It looks quite high, but I prefer to use the enterprise value over the EBITDA ratio, which actually is the acquirer's multiple. All right, and it gives me a more favorable valuation at 17 times. Okay, so it's a payback period of 17 years. which for Optimax, I think being just listed only last year, taking 17 years to achieve its maximum capability is quite a fair game, right? It pays a dividend yield of about 3%. So second year is already paying dividend, which is a good sign. It has a free cash flow of 7.872 million. Okay, meaning if he wants to undertake any new project or capex, Optimax has the capability to do that. It has a net debt of minus 163K. Well, just a second year operation, it's already net debt negative, meaning it's a net cash company. Net cash company. It has no bad debt or doubtful account, thankfully. All right. Okay, the next is we look at the F score. The F score actually measures the performance deliverable, uh, or measure how well managed in terms of effectiveness and efficiency by the company. Normally, a six score and above is considered a good company, but Optimax score eight, so it's definitely a good company at 8 against 6. Huh? The Altman measures actually the probability of Optimax getting bankrupt in 2 years. If the score is below 2.5, there is the danger level, but Optimax score 8.008. So this indicates to us that Optimax is in no mood to get bankrupt in the next 2 years, scoring 8.08. All right. The M score actually measures if the accounts have been manipulated or massaged. All right. Now, I'm a bit surprised why the M score is 0 0.4. Okay, okay. Now I think I know the reason why. Okay, the normally the M score, a normal M score will be negative 2.5, but Optimax measures at 0.4. Because Optimax has just been newly listed, which is less than 2 years ago. It's listed in February 2021, and we have to give Optimax some time for its account to normalize. For that, I will forgive Optimax on the M score. Okay, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, on the chart side, first we look for if a trend is forming. Okay, is a healthy trend is forming actually for Optimax because you can see one higher low, two higher low, three higher low, and four higher lows. Okay, so definitely a trend is forming healthily for Optimax. Okay, and I'm happy to see that the angle of the ascent is also quite healthy at nearly 45 degrees. Okay, a healthy trend indeed. All right. Uh, then we look for momentum. Is there a momentum? There is a momentum as long as the candlestick is above the cloud, the Ichimoku cloud, uh, and oh, there's a nice golden cross being formed right about now. We can see that the MA155 line crossing the MA233 line, meaning it is a bullish ascent happening now. Okay, so the probability of the price action to go upward is much greater than the probability of it going down, which is a good sign and what we are looking for. All right. So the third rationale for the technical side is the entry strategy. So it looks like Optimax price action is about to break the previous higher high here at 78 cent. So once it breaks, so we will be entering at entry strategy of squeeze breakout. So we will be using a squeeze breakout to enter a buy here. Okay. The fourth rationale is to see how the risk reward ratio of Optimax. Okay. So Optimax is now doing at 78 cent. Okay. If we buy at 78 cent and set to a price target at the apex of wave 5, which is 90 cent, with a stop loss at 72 cent. Okay. It will yield a risk reward ratio of 2.07 times. Okay, that's our minimum requirement. Every time we buy a stock, we must have a risk reward ratio of at least 2 times against one. All right. Uh, and I'm happy to note that actually Optimax is actually riding the last wave, which is the fourth to the fifth wave. Okay, meaning it has still a range to get to the top at the apex of wave 5 to achieve our target. All right. And the most important thing is that you can see actually there is a volume building up here. All right. So this is what I call a buyer's intact strategy. Okay, a buyer's intact shows that with volume building up, price action going up, okay, that means there is a good probability of us winning in this game. May the universe favor your action. All right. Thank you for hearing me out. If you think the lesson I shared with you is informational and educational, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you subscribe to my uh, YouTube video here, uh, you will get to join the TIFIC Investing Club for free. All you need to do is to like, share, and subscribe, and send me uh, your name, handphone, and email, and I will put you into the TIFIC club. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day and bye bye. Remember to subscribe. Okay, thank you.